everyone. Today we're playing motorcycle escape and becoming undefeated again. But this time it's part 2. Yes, part 2 of this. I got a new bike. It's Blood Racer. See? And we're gonna try to make it to the end now. That last video we upgraded a lot. We can upgrade more. And they're 40 and 100 times. So they doubled it. Ah! Oh. I'm gonna take this one. We have enough Robux to spend on it. Run, little Rafe. I'm gonna click 800 wins. Like this is motorcycle. Hey! There's better actually. It's cool. Baby. What bike is it? Oh, I'm kidding. I'm gonna try that. Now I'm going fast. Oh, how you even get trails? Ah! That was just bad luck. I was supposed to go down. Wait, why can't I go? I was just... What? I hate the annoying sound, no. I think there's some... I don't know the... Wait, what? I got to go fast. Run, everyone, go! Pedal, 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 pedal! I don't even know. Pedal, man, pedal, 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 pedal. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Here we go. It's really slow, actually. This is really crazy. I'm gonna have to end the video, everyone. Bye.